Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about 7 things I have learned recently. Today I am going to share the knowledge I have gained and the things I have learned in my past few months. When I talk about things, it's like the skills and technology I have learned so far. I have got this idea to make this video because I was putting few hours every day to learn a new language or learn to create new content using different tools or even visual appealing contents, etc. So I thought I have been learned so many things recently and I have grown and changed a lot. And we realized all this when we look back and reflect on ourselves and we see how far we have come and learned so many things. Learning is a continuous process, and personally I love to learn and grow myself out of my comfort zone. I just feel like there are so many things that we can learn and explore every day, and that curiosity of mine makes me learn new things. And today I hope after this video you are little pumped up and inspired to learn new things or reflect how far you have come or grown in past few months. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I want to share here is I have learned to create cool infographics in my past few months. If you are part of my Instagram family, you must know how much I love to make infographics and so many types I have explored. I love to experiment on this every time. I try to give a face to my thoughts via this infographics, and all these things I do with Canva. Canva is one of the best free tools to create visually impactful content. And in past few months, I have explored Canva to create all my contents in my social media. It has a lot more in the whole package. You can do anything you want using Canva to make and look your content beautiful. From that, infographics is one which I love to make. Essentially, an infographics is a visual representation of your information. Since past few months, I am putting a lot of infographics in my Instagram, and I have done that using Canva. I get a lot of DMs about it. So here is the answer, guys. It's Canva, and I am super proud to learn this thing. The second thing I have learned is German language. The basic German language which I have learned in past few months. As we all know how much is important learning a new language. It can improve your memory, problem solving skills or critical thinking skills, enhance concentration, ability to multitask, and so many other things. Since it's been few years I'm living in Germany, so I thought to put out few hours to learn German to advance my career, and also it will help me to connect with the culture and the people out here. So I am still learning, but with my 9 to 5 job, and I have completed the first level of German language and in progress to complete the advanced level 2. So this gives me little bit confidence to talk outside or interact with the people who don't understand English over here. And the third thing I have learned is designing a website. So this is another thing which I am super proud of, which I have learned in my past few months. When I have decided to start my blog site, I was not having any idea how to proceed. I was totally blank. I done a lot of research and everything was so confusing. But in one of the article, I have read that WordPress is providing the best blog to host. I did not think of anything else, and I started with it and building my own website from scratch. And I have made it live too. Using WordPress and few plugins, I have built my own site, which I am super proud of. I do faced a lot of challenges on the way, but that gave me also a lot of learnings, and the important part is the result. I was able to learn and make it live, and it is fully functional. That made me super happy. Now, next thing I have learned is how to edit photos in Lightroom and apply presets. I have seen many are using it in Instagram and also making their own presets kind of stuff. So Lightroom is an Adobe application to edit our photos. It's the most control you can get in the editing photos in this app. I kind of got a free trial, which is why I started learning it. I just played around for a few hours in my phone, like 2-3 hours, to figure out how to edit photos the way I like and how to apply presets to the photos. This is kind of interesting for me because earlier I have used Snapseed or Visco for editing my photos, but Lightroom has so many things, like it's just into the another label. So I had learned from few YouTube videos and tutorial to have a feel that what other content creator are doing in this. This is something I had seen in my Insta stories a lot, so I thought to give it a try. And now here I am. I know how to make and edit photos in this and make presets out of it, so I am happy about it. Now my next point is something really interesting. I'm going to talk about my next learning, which is shooting and editing my YouTube videos. That is something I have learned which is totally out of my comfort zone. I was not ready to face the camera. In one point of time, I still remember I used to get blank before the camera and I always having the fear that I'm not able to make it. But look at the very moment, after a bit of practice, I am able to share my thoughts and present myself and trying to be better every day. And the editing part, I always think I just can't handle, but after a bit of practice and research, I'm comfortable with it and actually I enjoy the whole process. And now this is kind of habit for me to create more and more videos for you all. I'm really super happy and proud of having my own channel and creating good content for you all. I am sharing it because I am proud that I have figured out things gradually and I am consistently trying to learn new things in tech, and that will help me a better creator and add more valuable content. Part of that, learning how to use new technology or tools even though it's out of my comfort or I'm not aware of it. Learning makes things much easier. The next thing I have learned is all about plants. If you are following me in my Instagram, by far you must know that how much craze I am having with my plants. So I just love to keep the plants in my home, but I was not having any idea how to make it grow and make the plant healthy. Bringing a plant is not a problem, but the problem is to maintain it and grow the plant in a healthier way. So in the past few months, I have grown a lot of plants, researched a lot and learned about it. And I have quite a few plants in my home now. They are growing so much well, healthy, and that is important for me. Even I tried to grow few veggies last year in my home garden, and I was so happy to see them grow in my home. So my next learning is related to cooking. You know how much I like cooking. So I learned how to make liquid dough paratha. This is something very interesting. I always love to cook and try new recipes. This is something is in the recent trend, so I thought to give it a try. For me, cooking is a way to express my creativity and make soul happy all together. I love to experiment new recipes. If you follow my Instagram feed or stories, I share a lot of cooking there too, and also in my YouTube videos as well. Since I am cooking for a while now, so I just take the foundation and then add my own kind of method to any new recipes. But if you are someone new to the cooking, you can take few classes on Skillshare or any learning platform. There are a lot of courses available for beginners. Sharing my experience with this liquid dough masala paratha, first few attempts was not that great, but once I got hand on it, it came out really well. I guess I'm learning that it's never too late to get back to your old creative hobbies and even to start a new one. we have our rest of the life to explore or do whatever we want, and that's kind of pretty amazing. Basically, we lost a lot of time thinking we cannot do this, or it is not possible, or we are too old for this. Instead, we can just take action and find out the real result in hand by taking the action and creating whatever we want. So start today, learn and explore your new site today. So I hope you like the lesson and learnings I have shared with you here in this video. I just want to push and encourage you all to start learning. Be creative. You have a lot of time to do it. Let me know if you like this video and share in the comment below what is that one skill you have learned recently. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.